So just like the previous example, I'm going to want to factor to begin with here. So I factor out that x, and then I can factor this down to x minus 1, x times x minus 1, the quantity squared. Now, I'm also going to want to make this equal to some other fractions added together. Well, I could have a over x, which is great. I could have a b over an x minus 1, and I have to have c over x minus 1, the quantity squared. I have to have all of those different types of combinations in order to do this. Again, go through, multiply by the common denominator. And things cancel. Over here, everything cancels. Here, just the x cancels. Here, just one of the x minus 1's cancel. And here, both x minus 1's cancel. And I'm left with x plus 2 equals a times quantity x minus 1 squared plus bx times x minus 1 plus cx. Then just like before, I'm going to let x be a couple of things. I'm going to start with letting x equal 0. If I let x equal 0, well, I get 2 on the left side equals a times, and this becomes negative 1 squared, plus, now this becomes 0, because it'd be b times 0 times negative 1, 0. This also becomes 0, so I'm left with just this right here because it's a plus 0 plus 0. So a equals 2. Negative 1 squared is a positive 1. Positive 1 times a is just a, so it's just a equals 2. Now, once I have that, now I'm going to let x equal 1. And what that does is it makes this first term 0. So I get to put a 0 in for that. It makes this second term also 0. And then plus c times 1. 3 equals c. So I've got a, I've got c. Now it's a matter of finding b. And to find b, well, I'm just going to plug in what I know at the moment. So at the moment, I know that x plus 2 is equal to 2 times x minus 1 squared plus bx times x minus 1 plus 3x. So I'm to this point, and at this point, I can just pick a number for x. I don't want to pick a 1 because that's going to make things 0. I don't want to pick a 0 because that's going to make terms 0. I want to pick some other number. Whatever number you want will work. I would choose something small, and I prefer positive, so I picked a 2, and I just plug that in for all the x's. That's what I'm doing here. Let x equal 2. And when I do this, then I just start to simplify down a little bit. That becomes 2 plus 2b plus 6. And then it really is just a matter of doing some really straightforward algebra here and getting b is equal to negative 2. And so I've got a, I've got b, I've got c. I'm going to rewrite my fraction then as x plus 2 over this x cubed minus 2x squared plus x is equal to a over x plus b. So I'm going to put a minus 2 over x times x minus 1 plus c over x minus 1 quantity squared.